How to access Air New Zealand Lounge. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can access Air New Zealand Lounge. Now, Air New Zealand Lounge is a form of luxury on the Air New Zealand page. And how do you have access to this? I'm going to share some tips with you on how you can have access to this. Now, the first thing you must notice is that you have to be eligible, and to be eligible, you have to be one of the major ways is to be a crew member. All right. Crew is a website that you can belong to as well. So if you are a crew member, you can access any New Zealand's domestic, regional, and international lounges. So you can purchase a crew membership or you can upgrade to a crew membership if you are already an airport member. So take note of that. It will be very, very cool if you can do that. Now, on this particular airport page that I'm on, by scrolling down, if you want to know how to become a crew member, scroll down to the page where you can see crew program membership. Just below flight and upgrades, click on it, follow the procedures, and you would be able to become a crew member. Then the second way is for you to be able to access Air New Zealand Lounge, you have to be an Airpoint Elite or Gold member. All right, Airpoint Elite and Gold members are eligible for lounge access. So ensure your Airpoint number is always associated with your booking. And secondly, passengers flying in business premier class on Air New Zealand flights are entitled to lounge access. So in case you want to have access to the lounge and you booked a flight already, don't worry, go to your home page, and then on your home page, click on manage booking. All right, and on the manage booking page, select the flight that you would like to access your Air New Zealand lounge with. Then change your flight, that's upgrade your flight to business premier class. That way you have access to the Air New Zealand lounge. Then another thing you must notice is that Air New Zealand has partnership with other airlines, allowing access to partner lounges at selected international airports. So check the Air New Zealand website for a list of partner lounges and eligibility status. All right, take note of that. And lastly, you can purchase lounge entry vouchers if you do not meet the criteria that I have mentioned earlier. Okay, just purchase a lounge entry voucher and then you'll be able to have access to the lounge. So these are the various ways that you can easily have access to Air New Zealand lounge at the international level as well as the local level. Thank you for watching, and go ahead to access that lounge now.